Then you open up right side front tire. You open up the front tire, right side, I mean the passenger side, and then you'll see a lot of oil all over. This is oil is coming from oil cooler, the engine oil cooler. This is the engine oil cooler. You see this? And the oil is dripping right there. You see the dripping the oil. Very tight space. Then this is the oil cooler. And this is right there. There's a bolt. One bolt right here. Two. The other one is right here. Right there. Another one is right there. And the loosen up all 4 bolts is 12 millimeter bolt. So, right there. One is right here. One here. Already I loosed all those. It's right there one. And there's one right here. Actually, there is a 2 coolant line. I try to show you guys. It is very limited space. You see this is a one coolant line. There's another coolant line right there. So you have to take the bolt clamp off, and it's come out easily. Coolant come out when you open this one hose. You see the coolant coming out. So make sure you have something underneath to catch coolant. After you open this, please clean thoroughly. You need to clean, good clean. I mean with brake clean, and open like 4 bolts right here. There's one right there, right here, and one is right there. When you open this, then you'll see actually inside there's a gasket right here. This is the gasket. You have to take up the gasket and clean everything, all these things, and clean all this with the brake clean and rag. You have to make sure good clean. After that, you tidy it up this. Don't tidy it up like crazy. And another thing is put the mark, like there's two holes for the coolant. So you put little mark, and you don't be confused. Like you mark here, so it's easy to remember. And after you clean that, then you put it back. It's reverse of removal, so I don't need to really show that. Thank you for that. After you cleaning, then you have to put coolant, because a lot of coolant came out when they open the hose, coolant hose. So make sure you put it in coolant, then you start it up. Thank you for watching.